The RSP contribution this year, about $32,000. The individual pension plan contribution for a 50-year-old business owner can be double that. Most business owners default to RSPs because that's what everyone talks about. But after a certain income level and age, maxing your RSP every year is a bit like filling a cup with a garden hose. Technically it's working, just not quite the right tool. An individual pension plan is set up through your corporation, funded with corporate dollars. The older you are, the more you can contribute. Most retirement vehicles punish you for starting late. An IPP can actually reward you for it. And it can cover past service, meaning you might be able to retroactively fund years you've already worked inside your corporation. If you are an incorporated business owner over age 40 with a T4 salary from your corp and nobody has walked you through this, follow me, send me a message, and we can start a conversation to see if it's right for you.